2016 Ford Mustang 4-cylinder turbo. Really nice car. We done a custom job on it earlier this year in July. There's the stock converter. Then it's got 2.5-inch pipe into a flex pipe. Then we did a custom Y pipe, X pipe setup. He had a kit there. He wanted this X pipe put in, so we put it in, and we had to do a Y pipe to make it fit. Then it Y's back out, or X pipes out. And he had stock muffler. We did a resonator, deleted everything off of it. He had the stock muffler on it, and he said, I want turn downs. So, you know, when you guys ask, we deliver. What do? We deliver. Louder. Deliver, sir. Anyways, so we did turn downs on it for him. That's what he wanted. That's what he'll get right there. So it's dumped right after the rear axle. Hope you guys like it. It's a really cool design. Something different than you're used to seeing. So let us know what you guys think in the comments of the sound. And if you like the sound, hit that like and subscribe button. Subscribe. What is it? Subscribe. There's the duals that were on it. We cut them all off, because we hate mufflers here, like I always say. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Louder. Again. Sound decibels. Again. 101. It's not bad. Go ahead and back it out. I thought it'd be a lot louder. Yeah. Yeah. They're still badass cars, man. What is it, like 380 for the wheel, I think?
With the tuning I got on it, it's about it's only 350.
350. Oh, 310 from the factory. Give it gas again. The blow-off valve. Sounds good. I like it, man. It sounds good. That X pipe makes a big difference in the sound. That's awesome. Let you guys hear it on the inside.